Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the future of driving with the all-new 2026 BMW M10, a car that's shaping the next generation of performance and luxury. BMW has raised the bar once again, and this one's packed with innovation, power, and style. Let's get into it. Starting with the exterior, the M10 features a bold, aerodynamic silhouette that blends aggressive sportiness with refined elegance. The iconic BMW kidney grille has been completely reimagined. Now it's a fully digital, active grille that adjusts airflow for better cooling and improved efficiency. Sleek laser headlights, aerodynamic side mirrors, and lightweight carbon fiber accents complete the look, making this car a true head-turner on any road. Moving inside, BMW's interior design philosophy takes a giant leap forward. You're surrounded by a curved OLED display that seamlessly integrates your instrument cluster and infotainment system into one sweeping panel. The cockpit is driver-centric, with haptic feedback controls and customizable ambient lighting that adapts to your mood and driving style. Materials are luxurious yet sustainable. Premium recycled leather and responsibly sourced wood trim give it a modern yet eco-friendly feel. Under the hood, the M10 is a beast. It combines a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine with an advanced electric motor, delivering a combined output of 600 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. This hybrid setup not only boosts performance, but also offers impressive efficiency, letting you switch to pure electric mode for city driving with zero emissions. The car accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 3.2 seconds, an exhilarating blast every time you hit the gas. BMW's engineers didn't stop there. The M10 comes equipped with adaptive M suspension, active anti-roll bars, and an advanced all-wheel drive system that can dynamically distribute power to maximize grip and control in any condition. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising on the highway, the driving experience feels intuitive, responsive, and downright thrilling. On the tech front, the 2026 M10 is loaded with cutting-edge features. BMW's new iDrive 9.0 interface uses AI to learn your habits and preferences, offering predictive suggestions and voice commands that feel natural and effortless. Safety tech is next level, with semi-autonomous driving modes, advanced collision avoidance, 360-degree cameras, and night vision assistance. The M10 keeps you safe without taking away the fun. Connectivity is seamless with 5G integration, wireless charging, and over-the-air updates that keep your car future-proof. Plus, BMW's innovative digital key lets you unlock and start your car using your smartphone or smartwatch. Convenience meets security. So, is the 2026 BMW M10 the ultimate performance sedan for the next decade? With its stunning blend of power, technology, and luxury, it's definitely a serious contender. It's a car that doesn't just promise excitement, it delivers it every single time you get behind the wheel. If you want to see more in-depth reviews, track tests, or customization options for the M10, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Drop a comment below and tell me what features you're most excited about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.